I will explain everything. Never miss this video. Hello viewers, welcome to our new video. Before going to the main topic, I would like to say like this video, and please subscribe to the channel. Trump would back legal action if Prince Harry lied on visa application, and Duke should be very worried, warn insiders. Prince Harry should be very worried, because Donald Trump would support legal action if he misled on his visa application, according to insiders. The U.S. president has previously alluded to the possibility of deporting Meghan Markle's husband due to allegations that he falsified his prior drug use on visa applications. However, Mr. Trump subsequently stated, "I'd rather not do it. I'll give him some space. He already has enough issues with his spouse. She is awful." The Duchess of Sussex has called Mr. Trump a misogynist, and he has called her nasty in the course of years of insults. According to a person who spoke to the Mail on Sunday, Mr. Trump is still adamant that Harry be prosecuted for lying. They stated, "President Trump has made it very clear that if Harry is found to have not told the truth on his visa application, then he could face prosecution." The source went on to say, "President Trump has stated that he will not deport Harry, but he would undoubtedly back a prosecution." In Washington, the word is that he should be quite concerned. There is still love between President Trump and the Sussexes. A conservative think organization in Washington, D.C., questioned Harry's 2020 entry into the U.S. since he mentioned using cocaine, marijuana, and hallucinogenic mushrooms in his book Spare. In September 2024, a U.S. court named Carl Nichols declared that the public had little interest in learning about the Dukes. He did, however, promise earlier this month to provide the maximum amount possible regarding Harry's 40 entry into the United States in response to a new challenge. Judge Nichols formally instructed the government to specify by next Thursday, February 20th, which court records pertaining to the case may be released in an order released this week. According to him, the court will determine what portions of those materials can be produced to Heritage after that. Mr. Trump, who has the authority to step in and request the records release, has already threatened to take action against Harry if he falsified his drug use on his U.S. visa application. A Freedom of Information Act request was denied, and the Heritage Foundation, a think tank, said it was of immense public interest and filed a lawsuit against the Department for Homeland Security, DHS. "Marijuana is different. That actually really did help me," the Duke said in his contentious memoir, after claiming that cocaine didn't do anything for me. According to the complaint filed by the Heritage Foundation, U.S. law generally renders such a person inadmissible for entry into the nation. According to the think tank, the Duke's previous drug use replies on his visa application ought to have been made public since they might cast doubt on the honesty of the U.S. authorities. The DHS responded to the lawsuit by stating, "Just like financial, job, or health information and individuals' immigration, no publicly available information shows that Prince Harry was ever convicted for a drug-related offense," according to the DHS attorney John Bardo's earlier filings. Mr. Bardo went on to say that any allegations of misconduct by the Heritage Foundation on behalf of the U.S. government were purely speculative. In an interview with Nigel Farage for GB News in March of last year, Mr. Trump stated Prince Harry shouldn't be given special treatment. Mr. Trump responded, "No," when asked if the Duke should be granted special privileges in the event that it turns out that he lied on his application. "We'll need to find out if they had any knowledge of the narcotics, and if he lied, they'll need to respond accordingly." No more today. If you like this video, please subscribe and stay tuned with our channel. Thank you.